With a brief glance at any online course shells in Moodle, you will notice that there are multiple icons which represent activities and resources. Activities are typically graded assignments, while resources are often instructional materials, though they can be used to house links to worksheets or other assignments. Let's start by looking at the more common activities you will encounter. Forums are interactive spaces for learners to share their perceptions of course content, ask questions, and interact with their peers and instructors. An assignment typically serves as a means to submit a file for a course activity with a wide array of file types accepted. The quiz icon represents any form of quiz, test, or exam in Moodle. These can consist of true or false, multiple choice, short answer, essay, and other question types. Lessons contain pages of content that students can navigate as they read. These can contain text, videos, and images. Lessons also can have small knowledge check type questions placed within them. Some Moodle resources or instructional materials might consist of the following. Feedback is a customizable survey that allows students to provide commentary on a given topic. Books function similarly to an ebook since they contain chapters and are navigable via a table of contents. URLs link out to different web pages like YouTube, a Google Drive content, or articles. Pages are a single page of content which can contain text, URLs to external pages, embedded videos, images, or other electronic media. Files and folders are ways for instructors to share uploaded items like a Word document, PDFs, or even video files. A folder is just a way of storing and organizing those files if the instructor needs. Finally, SCORM packages are interactive education tools embedded into Moodle. The Module 0 that is in many courses is one example of SCORM content. One final icon I want to cover is the external tool, which can fall into both the resource and activity category. The icon for this tool can either be this puzzle piece or a branded logo, because it connects Moodle to external educational tools like Simple Syllabus, Zoom, Tutor.com, or textbook publisher content. If it is connected to textbook assignments, this tool may be a graded activity, but it can also just be an educational tool if it's being used for a course syllabus or a Zoom link. Now that you understand what each of these icons represents, you can more effectively navigate course content in Moodle.